Welcome to the Swedish massage sequence for the pecs, arm, and hand. First, of course, apply your lotion to the entire area through effleurage. So effleurage up the anterior and the posterior portion of the arm and the pectoral. Make sure you're using a nice broad palm and keeping your body mechanics throughout the entire time. Then you're going to move into a specific effleurage for the pecs. You can lift the arm and open the pecs up in order to get more into the pec minor as well. Then you're going to work into your circular friction or circular petrissage of the pecs. Do at least 3 passes. Starting at the sternal attachments, working your way through the belly of the muscle to the lateral attachment of the pec. Then you're going to move into the shoulder cap, the deltoid. You're going to do single hand petrissage through the deltoid. Effleurage to transition. And you go into opposing two-handed petrissage for the tricep and the bicep. Be careful of the midline between the bicep and the tricep, as it is sensitive. Then go into a little bit of shoulder roll joint movement. Effleurage to transition to the forearm. You're going to start with two-handed petrissage to the extensors and the flexors of the forearm. Move into stripping. This can be done with an open fist or knuckles. Make sure you address both sides. Effleurage to the hand. You're going to broaden the palm with your fingers. Just create a spreading and opening of the palm. Effleurage and a little bit of friction in between the metacarpals. And over the wrist. You can strip through the palm. This is easiest with stacked thumbs. massaging each finger individually with circular pétrissage and a little bit of traction. You can even do figure eights here for each finger. Effleurage the entire area. And redrape.